Money makers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be talking about crypto.com coin or CRO coin. Right now we are at 58 cents. I have not talked a ton about CRO coin in my particular video. This is my first video analysis on CRO coin. So if you're interested in learning more about that, write down in the comment section below. Also write down what do you think where this coin is going, and I'll be sharing why I'm covering this coin and why I looked at the coin and why I like this particular crypto coin in this particular video. There are a couple of things I want to talk about. First one is the crypto.com as the company itself. The second one is the massive potential that the coin has. It can double, quadruple, 10x, and then there is a lot of potential for this coin to spike up into the price. And the third thing is the passive income or staking. I like the numbers, what I see. So hit that like button if you want to see more and more analysis on the CRO coin. Let me know that if you are interested, I'll do more and more analysis. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, write down in the comment section below if you own this coin and what price point you bought it and what your thoughts are. A circulation supply is 25.26 billion. For CRO coin, the max supply is 30 billion. So we're not looking at a huge number in terms of the tokens that will be available in the market. There's a sizable volume that I like to see, 175 million, and our range for last 24 hours is 56 cents. 58 cents as you see. Why I'm very interested in this coin is right now the ROI is pretty much within the control. We have seen the ROI is like 10,000%, 20,000%, 40,000% for many other crypto coins. And if you take a look at the Binance coin, or maybe you take a look at any smaller cryptocurrencies, we have seen massive return. We are no longer seeing that kind of return. We are not seeing that kind of return just yet for CRO coin, and that could be an opportunity, and that's one of the catalysts that I'm thinking for myself as well. Well, while I was doing the research a few days back, actually a few weeks back, I saw that CRO coin is getting up and up in terms of the market cap and market value. Take a look, 14.7 billion. I take a look pretty closely at Polygon, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and many other coin, and at that point I saw that crypto coin went above Binance USD, if you take a look, or BUSD in other words, which made me think that let me do more research into this coin and what it means. For last 7 days, we are down 6.24%. For last 24 hours, we are up 2.73%. We are at 58 cents. Now, what I want to leave you with is there was a lot of buzz going on with this particular coin, and there was an article that talks about should you buy this coin in December 2021, which was last month. With having said that, we are getting that coin at a discounted price than December. One of the reason is the entire crypto market went down. So it's not just this particular crypto, but take a look. Right now we're up in 1.16%, but we were down pretty good amount in deep in last few days and last few weeks in 2021. Now, what else you want to consider is this article is pretty relevant that came out in December. The crypto.com coin price has been a tight range recently. It has an excellent November that the company's key announcement. So let's take a look how it did in November. Take a look. It started from this 35 cents, or not even 35 cents. It started with 36 cents rather, and went all the way to 95 cents. So it's 3x'd just in November. After that, we saw that it came down, and in my opinion, it has nothing to do with this particular coin, but the entire crypto market went sideways. Now, hit that like button, subscribe button, but remember that I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence. This is not an advice to buy or sell this particular coin, but there are many people out there that have account on crypto.com. Maybe you bought Shiba Inu. And why this could be a good opportunity, I'll tell you in a moment. Number one is the exponential growth that can happen into the price point. The second thing is passive income. I'll get there. But right before that, I want to talk more about why this company can do even better. Will it rebound in December? We saw that no, it won't. It did not. And we are rather getting that coin at a discounted price. It remained in the tight range overnight session. Investor reflected on the moves by the parent company. The coin was at that time trading at 70 cents, which is why I'm saying that we can get it at a discount price if someone buys that at 55, 56 cents. Why this is super important: if you believe in crypto.com, if you think they're going to do better, this coin is definitely going to do a lot better. Crypto.com is a mid-sized cryptocurrency with big ambitions, and they have headquarters in the company was started a few years ago from the investors, and it was about $25 million with the domain name. The company did pretty well, especially with the buzz that was going on in crypto, especially in Shiba Inu. So many people found out about this company. What the company did is they made two major announcements. The first one is they decided to marketing Blaze, which with $100 million. That campaign became one of the best campaign ever for crypto.com. At the same time, they also announced a $700 million deal to get the license for Staples Center in the home of Los Angeles Lakers. This investment in sports, they were important for the company, and they did it pretty well. Not only that, most importantly, this will also help become a major brand into NFTs. Now, if you don't know about NFTs, I can do another video, but that is a becoming ton more trend along with metaverse. Crypto.com also made the headlines before a few weeks with they acquired two exchanges from the IG group. They already spent more than $200 million to acquire Nadex and the other small exchange. So the crypto price will be getting a ton more impact based on how the crypto.com as a company does, and we started seeing that it started going in upward direction. Precisely as I mentioned, it went 3x in November, and we are cooling off in this particular period. What crypto.com price had done in November is exponential growth, and that market cap became more than 16 billion US dollars, as I just mentioned, which is when I started noticing in November that this coin is going up in market cap and value, and it has exponential momentum. Now, what you should think about more or less is recently we have seen that the momentum was faded, the coin fallen double digit. Indeed, it reached mildly, and we started seeing that it also broke this 25-day and 50-day moving average and was trading below that. Now, but if you think about this particular crypto coin, CRO, you want to think about two things. Number one is that they did pretty well in marketing. And number two, they have a pretty good product. I will say number three is the staking and passive income. Now, let's talk about what is marketing and what they have done. As I spoke already, that they reportedly paid $700 million to rename LA Staples Center and recruited Hollywood star Matt Damon, who I like, by the way. They faced a $100 million in television and billboard campaign as well, and they were aggressive with their ad campaigns on Reddit and Twitter, which is where most of the community stays, and they did pretty good, along with Shiba Inu as well. The second thing I want to talk about is the product. The company supports and offers 200 cryptocurrencies, which is more than Robinhood even, and Robinhood 7 and Coinbase 140. So crypto.com is leading one of the platform where they have a ton of cryptocurrencies supported on their platform. And they are doing a pretty good job of adding more and more cryptos into their portfolio and support system as they become more popular. So they exceeded all other investors competitor. If you think about Coinbase, if you think about Robinhood, and they're doing pretty good. Also, their users can earn up to 8% spending reward and 14.5% staking ones. So what that means, let's take a look. I wanted to walk you through real quick. Take a look at this crypto.com, what you can earn. Deposit token, as you see, crypto.com coin, CRO stake. Now, if you put $1,000 amount in deposit for 3 months, you are looking at $60 earning per paid per in CRO, which is $1.15 reward on a weekly basis, which in my opinion is a pretty good return on the investment. $60 for 3 months adds up to $240 for the entire year, and that puts it to 24%. Now this stands to change, so don't quote me for that. This is what we see at the moment. If you take a look at 1 month, the reward is 77 cents paid weekly. For 1 month, you're looking at to earn $40 per year paid in CRO, which comes down to a little bit less of a return of 4% because you're now looking into just 1 month. As soon as you go up and above the 3-month level, you will start seeing that the paid reward per year is becoming higher and higher, and $1.15 is paid on a weekly basis with 6% stake. Now this tends to change, as I just mentioned. If you put more money, you should be able to see that you can also earn return based on how much money that you put it into this particular crypto staking. I just wanted to share this information with you. At the same time, it got a ton more exposure. By the way, write it down in the comment section below. I like what I see for crypto.com. Wanted to show you some predictions as well, but I'll cover that probably in the next video because this is becoming more longer at this point. 30 cents over 12 months. That is one of the digital coin they're expecting in terms of the price point. Wallet investors are saying 85 cents in the next 12 months, which is almost 150% from where we are right now. And Go Capital is talking about 95 cents or close to $1, so which is within the range of all the investors are thinking about, or maybe all the price predictions are talking about. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.